My name is Dennis. I'm actually from Penang. So I came here less than a year ago in February. My family background, my father is a salesperson and my mother actually works as an accounts admin in sports club lah. Before joining Elevate, I graduated with a major in actuarial science and data analytics minor. After graduating, I got a job which is not related with what I study. I actually work in an acoustic engineering company as a planner and a purchaser lah, for less than 2 years. I took some coding class in school, in university, like just some basic Python classes. Not much lah, but little. Before coming to Elevate, I tried to self-learn. I go onto some website and learn to code. But I think learning in Elevate, I get more guidance from the instructor, and then I have a clear picture of my direction. What should I study and how should I continue lah. Whereas when I study myself, I don't know what am I looking at and then what should I do. I actually enjoy coding. I enjoy the problem solving. So I like to apply the logic into coding to solve problems. When I came to Sabah, I tried to search for a job in this field, but one of my friends actually recommended me Elevate because she used to be a student here and she said it's very helpful for her lah. So I decided why not give it a try, learn first before I actually start finding a job. So the staffs are very friendly also. Whenever I need help, I get help from other software engineers. The entire experience has been very great. I enjoyed classes every day. The instructor was very helpful. The syllabus was very useful also. I actually able to pick up very fast lah. The instructions all are very clear, and then the exercise are very fun. So the projects we do every week, the weekly assignment, they are all I find it very interesting. I'm able to code better because of Elevate lah. I learn a lot from here, and hopefully I'm able to secure a job in the future. So I actually have two goals lah. So first of all, I'm actually trying to secure a job in this field, and then besides, I also want to apply my coding skills and then all the back-end, front-end skills to create a website for my girlfriend's shop lah. So Elevate helps me by trying to connect me with their partners and to secure a job for me. Yes, I'm definitely excited for the project because I've been thinking about this. On the first day I joined Elevate, I've already decided that I want to do this project for my final project. So I'm very looking forward to it.